pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations. The preceding tone was a test only. It is intended to test the Weatheradio tone alarm feature. I repeat, the preceding tone was a test only. La tonalité précédente est seulement un test. Ceci est pour vérifier le système d'alerte par tonalité de Radio Météo. Je répète, la tonalité précédente est seulement un test.
Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Alberta at 2:01 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Saturday, June 9th, 2018. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Lamont County near Mundare, Chipman, and Ukrainian Village, Elk Island National Park, Strathcona County near Ardrossan and Cooking Lake, Beaver County near Tofield, and Beaver County near Holden and Riley. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following. Red One, Saturday, June 9th, 2018. A heat warning is continued for Lloydminster, Wainwright, Vermilion, Provost. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: Lloydminster, Wainwright, Vermilion, Provost, West Block, Barhead, Athabasca, Fort Saskatchewan, Vegreville, Redwater, Smoky Lake, and Leduc, Camrose, Wetaskiwin, Tofield.
Comté de Beaver, près de Tofield, comté. Area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Alberta at 6:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Saturday, June 9th, 2018. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for the city of Lloydminster. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: Lloydminster, Wainwright, Vermilion, Provost, West Block, Barhead, Athabasca, Fort Saskatchewan, Vegreville, Redwater, Smoky Lake, and Leduc, Camrose, Wetaskiwin, Tofield.
Regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un but. Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Alberta at 2:33 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Saturday, June 9th, 2018. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Smoky Lake County near Vilna, Saddle Lake, and Whitefish Lake, Lamont County near Bruderheim, Lamont, and Pinot Creek, Lamont County near Andrew and Wostock, and Smoky Lake County near Smoky Lake and Wasetna. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Lamont County near Mundare, Chipman, and Ukrainian Village, and Beaver County near Holden and Riley. A severe thunderstorm warning is ended for Elk Island National Park, Strathcona County near Ardrossan and Cooking Lake, and Beaver County near Tofield. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: West Block, Barhead, Athabasca, Fort Saskatchewan, Vegreville, Redwater, Smoky Lake, and Leduc, Camrose, Wetaskiwin, Tofield.
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a tornado warning for northern Alberta at 2:43 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Saturday, June 9th, 2018. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Smoky Lake County near Vilna, Saddle Lake, and Whitefish Lake, Smoky Lake County near Smoky Lake, and Wassetna and Beaver County near Holden and Riley. A severe thunderstorm warning is changed to a tornado warning for Lamont County near Bruderheim, Lamont, and Pinot Creek, Lamont County near Andrew and Wostock, and Lamont County near Mundare, Chipman, and Ukrainian Village. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: West Loch, Barhead, Athabasca, Fort Saskatchewan, Vegreville, Redwater, Smoky Lake, and Leduc, Camrose, Wetaskiwin, Tofield.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour une alerte de tornade.
Environment and Climate Change Canada has issued a possible tornado alert. This alert is in effect for Lemont County. Climate Change Canada has issued a possible tornado alert. This alert is in effect for Lemont County. At 2:42 p.m., a rotating severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado has issued a possible tornado alert. This alert is in effect. 2:42 reinforced. If you are for details, visit www.emergencyalert.doors and outside walls. If you are on the highway and cannot avoid the shelter in a ditch or ravine. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.